Hello everyone, I am Navi Vinila, board member of Cologne Telugu Vedika Association from Cologne, NRV. I thank CGA for giving us opportunity to share few thoughts on the occasion of 145th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which is widely celebrated in India as National Unity Day. In these hard times, when nations are fighting against each other and drawing new borders and people are isolating from each other, I feel it is very relevant to celebrate the birth anniversary of the person who taught us unity and togetherness. He preached us to be strong, have faith and believe in ourselves, to ignore the differences amongst us and to focus on unique abilities of each of us and to spread togetherness. No matter where we are, let's pledge to follow him, to strive for a better India and even for a better world. All thanks to the great man, the Iron Man of India. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. My name is Rajeshwaran Gajendran from Bonn in NRW and I work at Deutsche Telekom. I'd first like to thank CJ Frankfurt for giving me this opportunity to talk a few lines about one of India's great leader, Mr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Jawaharbhai Patel, on his 145th birth anniversary. He was born on 31st of October 1875 in Nadia district, the state of Gujarat, and is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. He is an Indian barrister and the first Deputy Prime Minister of independent India. Since 2014, his birthday is also celebrated as India's National Unity Day because in less than a year, he managed to persuade 565 semi-independent states to join the Indian Union, which is unimaginable now. He was also awarded the Bharat Ratna in the year 1991, which is the highest honor. He has taught us many valuable lessons such as women empowerment, equality, freedom, integrity, and the vision towards the youth generation. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
Namaskar. Myself Satish Giridas, one of the members of NRW Kannada Germany. It's our honor to express few words about our great leader, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and thanks as CGI Frankfurt team for bringing this occasion. His great work at Boroli Satyagraha movement brought him the title Sardar from a woman of the same town. Sir Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was our first Home Minister and is also known as Iron Man of India because of the important role he played in unifying the country through the merge of all the small princely states. I would like to conclude my remembrance with Sir Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel based on his own phrase, which is, every citizen of India must remember that he or she is an Indian and has every right in this country but with certain duties. Jai Hind.
Hi, my name is Ashit Bhatt and I'm a master's student at RWTH Chakan University and I'm with ISA from past 2 years.
Hi, I'm Parth Doshi and I'm a master student at Fakok Shula and I'm working with ISA since last 1 year. Do you know what day is it today?
It is 31st of October?
Yes, 31st of October. It is the birth anniversary of independent India's first Home Minister and Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We are celebrating Rashtriya Ekta Divas in honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for his commendable efforts in uniting India.
Yes, you are right. I'm an admirer of his work. His deeds and his efforts have had a major important role in uniting India. He led the task of uniting or integrating India, which was with 565 princely states, to make the India that we know of today.
Yes, exactly. And he achieved that by converting regionalism into nationalism. He also solved the issue of Hyderabad, Kashmir and Junagadh.
Okay. Why do you think unity is important in development and welfare of the country?
As quoted by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. Then it becomes a spiritual power. India has been believing and following in unity in diversity since the independence, and it has been widely appreciated on the world stages. People can have different thoughts on different topics, but a common goal and a common thought gives cornerstone of cooperation between people of different culture.
Yes, this will definitely lead the nation towards the welfare of the citizens.
Okay, what do you think is important in difficult COVID-19 situation?
By working together, we can emerge stronger and better connected. The phrase, "it will take a village," has never been more timely. The COVID 19 pandemic is a call to action for everyone to work together while quarantining themselves and flattening the curve.
That's very well said. It's been wonderful conversation with you, Ashrit. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.